Welcome back again to my channel, friends. I've got another unboxing for you today. This is the next installment of my countdown to Valentine's Day. If you've got a passion for purple like I do, keep watching to check out the latest addition to my collection, as well as another option for those purple lovers in your life. This purchase was actually made towards the end of 2022, and I just haven't gotten around to unboxing it. I just started getting really busy and haven't been able to keep up with showing everything on my channel, so I decided to go ahead and save this for this special series for the month of February. I hope you will find this as interesting as I do. So let's go ahead, get rid of some of this paper. And as you can see, it is from Givenchy. As you can see, this is from Givenchy. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is the Antigona, mini Antigona, in the calfskin, so shiny. As you can see, it is purple, obviously. This is the Passion for Purple series, and it does come with gold hardware. It's got the chunky zip and does have the strap already in, at least on one side. Here's the back. Care information is attached. The other side, and typical Antigona fashion has the leather feet. Let's take a look. Here is the adjustable strap, and this does have, the Antigona does have an interesting type of mechanism for getting it in and out. It had the getting this open, it's not the widest or the easiest to open, but it is a good size of a bag. As you can see, this bag does have, let me get it open to show you. This bag does have one zippered pocket inside, and the interior is a canvas. As you can tell, it's not as dark as the recently unboxed mulberry bag, but it is still a gorgeous purple or ultraviolet. It should be a great addition, especially moving towards the springtime and the summer. Again, thank you for watching. If you like these types of unboxing videos and are interested in seeing more of this particular Passion for Purple series, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my small YouTube family. Please go ahead and drop a comment below, or even just a purple heart, to show that you are a fellow purple lover. Hope you're having a wonderful week. Take care, stay safe. Bye.